hold on to me. Okay, hold on. And then I'm gonna turn this around. Uh-oh, you're turning with it. Del, can you say, "Are you okay?" Here, let's... Oh, you got it. Hey, you got it. You got it. Oh, buddy. Alright, let's go for a walk, guys.